How to fix TikTok showcase not showing. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now once inside the TikTok app, tap on the profile option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the profile section. Now here, tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen and some options will be available on your screen. Now, from the options, tap on the settings and privacy. Once you tap on the settings and privacy, scroll down till the bottom and there you'll get to see report a problem option available. Tap on it. Once you tap on the report a problem, again scroll down till the bottom and tap on the chat with us option available there. Now you are inside the TikTok bot. All you have to do is enter your problem here and TikTok bot will recommend you the solution for this problem. And all you have to do is follow the instructions in order to fix these issues. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.